Marianne Cope was born into a modest family of German origin and emigrated to North America at a young age. From childhood, she learned the values of hard work, sacrifice, and solidarity. Poverty and illness shaped her early years, forming in her a compassionate view of humanity. Drawn to religious life, Marianne joined the Sisters of St. Francis. She quickly distinguished herself through her practical skills, gentleness, and courage. Working in hospitals, she cared for the sick and managed institutions with both discipline and humanity. She understood that serving the most vulnerable lay at the heart of the gospel. One day, a dramatic call arrived. In Hawaii, men, women, and children afflicted with leprosy were isolated and rejected. Few were willing to care for them. Fear ruled hearts. Marianne recognized this call as a personal invitation. Without hesitation, she volunteered. Leaving her homeland and security behind, she traveled to a distant land. Her question was not whether she would be safe, but how she could love more fully. In Hawaii, Marianne encountered profound suffering. Patients lived in isolation and neglect. She responded with determination. She organized medical care, improved living conditions, and restored dignity to those who had been abandoned by society. Marianne was unafraid of physical contact. She touched, healed, and lived among the sick. She refused to see them as threats. To her, they were children of God. Her presence transformed the community. Hope returned. The sick were no longer outcasts but beloved individuals. Marianne showed that true charity is expressed through action. She served tirelessly for years, enduring hardship and fatigue without complaint. Remarkably, she never contracted the disease she treated so closely. Saint Marianne Cope teaches that holiness often means going where others refuse to go. Her life shows that love lived fully can overcome fear and bring light to places of deep suffering.